Welcome to gorgeous air-conditioned Marylebone Studio, a haven where your London experience begins. To secure your stay, simply scan the QR code displayed now or check the description below for direct booking. Here, amidst the vibrant heart of Marylebone, awaits an exquisitely appointed studio promising both convenience and tranquility. Indulge in the seamless integration of complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, effortlessly connecting you to work, entertainment, and the world while enjoying total comfort. Your every comfort has been considered, offering a cozy retreat where you can unwind. Begin your day with a freshly brewed coffee, courtesy of the in-room facilities, and prepare to explore the area. Every detail, from the air conditioning to the convenient essentials, has been crafted to enhance your stay. Whether you are in London for business or pleasure, the gorgeous air-conditioned Marylebone Studio ensures a sophisticated launchpad for all your urban adventures. Book your exquisite Marylebone escape now with a QR code.